Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Paunang mensahe ni Gemini ay Forest, Muddled, Unclear Thinking. Gemini, maaring naguguluhan kayo sa ngayon. Maaring maraming gumugulo sa isip ninyo, bizarre ang mga nangyayari siguro, kaya hindi kayo makapag-isip ng malinaw sa ngayon. What else? We have facts, shrewdness, and resourcefulness, especially in business. Kung meron kayong negosyo, maaring ito yung kulang sa inyo. Maaring ito yung missing piece para kayo ay magtagumpay sa inyong negosyo. We have bird perch, waiting for news, package, or letter. Ayan. So, ang ganda. May hinihintay kayo ditong balita, may hinihintay kayong bagahe, may hinihintay kayong sulat that could be related doon sa mga ina-applyan siguro ninyong trabaho, or maybe may mga kinukuha kayong mga documents, maaring naghihintay kayo ng passport ninyo, naghihintay kayo ng visa ninyo, or maaring meron kayong order online at yun ang hinihintay ninyo ditong bagahe, no? What else? We have table, hard work ahead. Kailangan ninyo na mag-work harder, no? In the next few days. Kasi siguro, maaaring bagong trabaho ang pinasukan ninyo dito. At syempre, kailangan ninyong hard work, di ba? Para mas mabilis kayong makapag-adjust sa bago ninyong role. Kasi syempre kung bago kayo dito, so ang transition, 'di ba? Talagang mapo-force kayo na mag-work harder para mabilis ninyong matutunan. So shield, you need to defend yourself. Okay? Kailangan ninyong depensahan dito ang inyong sarili. At use your own judgment and discernment dito, Gemini, kung ano man ang sitwasyon na ito. Kung sa tingin ninyo worth it, no? Worth your effort na tumayo kayo dyan at depensa ng inyong sarili, then go for it. Okay? What else? We have egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. Ayan. So, yung tagumpay, no? Parang formula ito na binibigay sa inyo dito na magtatagumpay kayo provided na pinagplanuhan ninyo ng maayos, ng maganda, at coupled it with hard work. So, kailangan talaga na pagtrabahuan ang isang bagay, no? Pagplanuhan at pagtrabahuan kung gusto ninyong yan ay magtagumpay. Seahorse, family matters. Ayan. So, maaaring merong mga sitwasyon dito sa inyong pamilya na kailangan mong asikasuhin, kailangan mong bigyan ng extra attention, something like that. Okay? What else? We have bell, announcement. Ayan. So, meron kayong maririnig dito, no? Maaaring ang iba sa inyo, merong mag-a-announce na magre-retire na, or siguro mag-a-announce na buntes, or manganganak na, or mag-a-announce ng engagement, or mag-a-announce na magpapakasal na, something like that, no? So, it could be anything. It could be din sa trabaho, promotion, something like that. We have battle. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Ayan. So, parang negative ito no, Gemini. So, maaaring kailangan ninyo dito na, alam mo yun, magmuni-muni at magnilay-nilay kayo and think about something positive. Now, try to divert your attention from focusing on what is lacking sa buhay ninyo or what you don't have in your life. No, rather than focusing on that, ibaling ninyo yung attention ninyo doon sa kung ano ang meron kayo sa ngayon, no? Kasi if you're going to focus on sa kung ano man yung wala kayo, naghahanap kayo, maaari nagkukumpara kayo ng kung anong meron kayo at anong meron ng iba, no? Parang hindi yun makakatulong sa inyo. And let's always remember as well, Gemini, na yung thoughts natin are very powerful. Okay? It is very powerful. Kaya, ang isipin na lang ninyo dito, instead na isipin ninyo kung anong wala kayo, isipin ninyo kung ano ang meron kayo. 'Di ba? At kung ano pa yung positibong pwede ninyong magawa para mas mag-attract kayo ng mas marami pang blessings or mag-attract kayo ng prosperity and abundance, 'di ba? So, what else? We have bridge, successfully overcoming a problem. Ayan, may problema kayo dito na mapagtatagumpayan na. So, napakaganda naman. That's good news. You're going to be dealing with a woman sa ngayon, or maybe meron kayong relasyon sa woman na to, no? So, posible na yung relationship na yan could be platonic, that could be ka-love life ninyo to si woman, or siguro mom ninyo, blood relationship, no? Mom ninyo, grandma ninyo, auntie ninyo. So, this could be anyone, but definitely you're going to be dealing with a woman around this time, and that person is going to play a significant role sa buhay ninyo. We have archway, new opportunities, possibilities, and path opening up for you. So, maganda, no? Maraming magbubukas na oportunidad para sa inyo. At yung mga opportunities na yan could be in different areas of life. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. So, pag bumukas talaga yung swerte sa inyo, pag bumukas ang pinto ng biyaya, no? It could affect different areas of your life, no? 'Di ba? Kaya maaring siswertehin kayo sa hindi lang isang bagay, hindi lang sa pera, kayo magkakaroon ng opportunity, maaaring magkaroon din kayo ng opportunity to travel, opportunity to meet your person, opportunity to work abroad, or it could be anything, no? Mag-put up ng business, napakaswerte ninyo. We have angel number 777. Sabi dito, good luck, diba? Kaya babalutin kayo ng swerte talaga sa ngayon. There is an opportunity for you to feel that contentment sa buhay, which is really awesome. Prosperity, abundance coming your way. There are going to be spiritual awakening then happening for some of you. Divine intervention is going to be at play as well dito. So, makikialam talaga yung divine universe sa kalakaran or sa sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon para matulungan kayo na maging maganda, maayos ang pamumuhay. This message is most likely to reach you during intense uncertainty. You'll come out winning from everything that may come your way. It's also a sign that you have much life experience and wisdom to share. Yet, you'll need enthusiasm and effort to get this message to others. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.